Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtracting algebraic fractions worksheet. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebraic fractions. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. And now let's have a look at the worksheet. So here we have four questions involving simplification, where in each case we have an algebraic fraction minus another algebraic fraction. So if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, which has the answers, and you can check how you went. You may pause this slide for as long as you like. And now we move on to the next slide, which has the answers. So here are the four answers. You can check how you went. I'll leave this slide on for a short while before I move on to the next slide. And let's move on to the next slide now. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing a rap song about algebraic fractions.